Hey friends, you're looking at the Parks Whopper tomatoes given to us by the K.M. Mack Project. He gave us some seeds with our yellow watermelon. Those are Park Whoppers. And look, I know I need to clean this up, but we got tomatoes. And there's no bottom rots. Beautiful. Thanks, Sacramento. We appreciate you guys. Isn't that pretty? Nice. We'll have to get out here and do some harvesting this weekend. You're looking at the Three Sisters. First time doing the Three Sisters this year. And it's been a weird weather year. Pretty sure we won't get any squash off this. Which is okay, I wanted to try it. But I just love how they circle. And then you have the corn. I'm not sure if that's going to be edible. But we do have cobs. And I need to harvest some beans and get them climbing instead of falling. Lots more beans. Not bad for the first year of the Three Sisters. Bee pillar update. It's about mid-August. And I need to come out and harvest. We have peas. Love it. Such a good idea. Just go around and pick the peas. He's getting plump. And you're looking at the rest of the beans. There's a lot. Isn't that awesome? I get to come out and harvest. Wow. Lots of beans, guys. Let's do an update on these zucchini plants, guys. They have loved this area. The leaves and flowers are huge. Big. And look. I think that one's about ready. One back there. He's pretty big. Oh yeah, nice size back there. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I have to harvest zucchini. Wow. That's some pretty big ones. Time for a Tiela, Brian. And more growing. This is awesome. Alright everyone, after we all saw what we saw and how behind I am on harvesting, I decided to come out and let's do some harvesting. Beans are looking much better. I'll show you what I got in a second just from this one row. And I have them standing up so they're not leaning forward anymore. We got rain coming. Isn't that nice? That row of beans took a while and I'm sure I missed some. But we have a whole sorry, gnat in my mouth. Or on my mouth. We have a whole pan of beans. All beans, all beans, all beans. I still gotta go get the ones from the Three Sisters. So let me do that and I'll be back with you. Well, we've harvested the beans off the Three Sisters. Each corn plant, there's 4 corn plants, and I put a green bean seed around each one. So there should be about, I think one didn't take. There's 15 or 16 plants. But they look much better off the ground before the rain comes. And look, that's a nice little pile off a few plants. I'll add it to our bucket here. Let's see what else I need to grab. So last year we were getting peas daily, all the time. The plants look great. And they still kind of look okay. But honestly didn't think with the weather differences and changes we were going to get any peas. And I'm not happy with the way some of the plants look. So between the temperature changes, and we probably need to put some compost or manure around the pea pillar next year. I know the season is not over, but sorry, that's not real impressive. You know, there's a few. But even they don't look as good as they did last year, so wish us luck. We may get a broccoli. Might want to consider harvesting that before it goes to flower. Here's the cucumbers I grabbed. They're looking a little sad. They might straighten up. I let that one go way too far. My sister missed a pepper when she harvested the other day. Ain't that a pretty hot pepper? That is gorgeous. Had to get them off the ground before the rain comes. Look at the zucchini I got today, guys. And there's more growing. That big one over there is bigger than my foot. Love it. They love that area. Not a bad little harvest today, guys. We still got to tie up those tomato plants a little more and start harvesting those. We did get a few cherries out the old garden. But be sure to like and subscribe for more nature videos. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.